this is a really important topic because I feel like everything that we do when we try to drive change within a culture, it leads to building a really great leadership community. We want to adopt this attitude of equality across the board. We don't just want some people doing it and advocating for it, and then other people not seeing the value. We need to drive cultural change. I love sometimes asking this question and getting people to throw their own answer into the chat. In your role right now, what are you doing in your role to help the women around you pursue leadership? Are there physical things? Do you get involved in their mentorship? Do you advocate for them? Or what ways could you do that better? When we frame up a question like that, we then talk about how we could support each other as well. What are the other ways that we could support each other to develop a really strong mode of practice and roll it out?